Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I'll share another recipe of a smoothie with you. Today it's going to be a smoothie with just fruits, no vegetables this time around. But this recipe will have just plain yogurt, which also has its own benefits like calcium. And this is more like a treat. So if you're planning to eat healthy, you can have this instead of a dessert because it is quite sweet. If you like something that is really sweet, you can always add some honey or maple syrup. These are more healthy alternatives to the sugar. So I'll just share with you the ingredients we're going to need. I'll make orange juice with you and we'll blend it all together, okay? So to start, what you will need. You will need a half cup of plain yogurt. This is a 2% Liberté yogurt. Could be Greek yogurt, is very good as well. Just make sure it's plain. We don't want any extra taste. You could use a vanilla yogurt, but it's better just to be plain. So just a half cup, and this is ingredients again for 1 cup of a smoothie, which my blender is this one. Okay, so half cup. And now for liquid part, you're going to need some orange juice. You can buy a store-bought orange juice, but I prefer to use my own so that there is no extra sugar added or any kind of things to preserve the orange juice, which are not good for you. So I just make my own orange juice. So you'll need a couple oranges, 1 banana. The more brown the banana, of course, the more sweet it is, but I like my bananas on the more green side. And then for this one here, because this is a tropical smoothie, this is a mango pineapple tropical smoothie. So we're going to use half cup of mango and half cup of pineapple approximately. Could be a little bit less or a little bit more. Now you can use both frozen, but I actually prefer to have a couple of ingredients not frozen. Like I bought this fresh pineapple and I just cut it up, but these are frozen mango chunks because buying everything not frozen, of course, doesn't keep for a very long time. So it's nice to have things that are frozen to make it more cold because I don't add any ice to my smoothies. So I always like to put something that's frozen, but of course, like the fresh things I find taste better. So that's the fruit you're going to need for this recipe. Okay, so now we're just going to just open up the banana. Okay. Just gonna place it in here just for now. Now, in terms of making the orange juice, of course you can put the oranges through a juicer, but I don't want to wash so many parts of the juicer just to make 1 cup of a smoothie. So of course I'm just going to use this one little handy thing. Just this, like this. I bought it at Winners just to make that juice. Okay, so I'll just show you how. So you're gonna take your orange, and that's like the top and the bottom of the orange. So we just want to cut it like this. So when you open it up, it looks just like that. Okay. Usually you need about 2 or 3 oranges to make this cup of a juice. You need about a cup or a little bit less, but it depends really how your oranges are. Some oranges give more liquid, some less, so you have to figure it out. So all I'm gonna do is just put this through my hand juicer pretty much. So that's all you're gonna do is just squeeze it here. Okay, just strain off some of the juice. And if a little like chunks fall in, that's good as well. So I'm just going to put this in here because this is 1 cup. I'm just going to figure out how much I have. So you see, almost perfect cup. Okay, so now let's just put it all together. So I'll start with my liquid. Okay, so that's approximately how much is in the cup, so you can see. Now we're going to add the yogurt. Okay. The banana, I just like to break it down a little bit. Just with a spoon, I push it down a little bit so I have more room. Now we're gonna add the rest of these. So some pineapple, some mangoes, okay, so everything is in here. Now we're just gonna blend and serve. Okay, so just my blender, we're just gonna turn it on. The cup is placed upside down, just lock it, and we just start. So on this blender, it doesn't take much time, so it's pretty much ready now. It just looks like that. So now we're just gonna pour it into a cup. Okay, now that it's poured into the cup, we're just gonna screw this on. Actually, before I even do that, I'm gonna try and show you. It's a very smooth smoothie. It looks just like that. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your dessert. If you like my smoothies, click the like button and I will create more smoothies later on for you. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.